Today I'm restoring this 50 years old German violin. I'm starting the process by closing up the body. Now the body has been closed up. The next thing I'll do is to check that the neck has the right angle and the projection of the fingerboard is correct. The neck angle at this stage is less ideal, so I decide to shave off some wood to correct the neck angle. Hi guys, welcome back to the second part of violin restoration. I'm connecting the neck to the body, making sure that the neck angle is correct. I'm now fixing the chipped edges. The body is now fixed. It's time for revarnishing. I'm now installing a new set of pegs and a new button too. The bridge is up and the violin is ready to go.